Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to track your sleep with the help of your Apple Watch Series 10. Let's get started. So, as a first step, we would need to click on this digital crown and then find an app which looks like a bed. Here is it how it looks. So we would need to click on it here. Click on this alarm icon on the left upper corner, and here make sure that you have enabled the sleep schedule. You can see the description which is saying here wake up alarm will not go off and other sleep features will not turn on. So if we will enable the sleep schedule here, we would be able to set the time when we want to wake up, when we want to go to the bed. So you can see I have set the duration of sleep for 9 hours 45 minutes, and also here we can choose different schedules for different weekdays. So as you can see, I got the earlier one for the weekdays and a little bit later at the weekends. Here's it how it looks. Here you can also set your sleep goal and wind down, which is a notification reminding you that you need to go to the bed, because in 45 minutes will start your sleep time. So here's it how it looks, and if you would like to track your sleep, you would need to wear your Apple Watch at night. They're really light and sleeping with them should be comfortable. And after this, if we will go back, you'll be able to see sleep data. Here you can see awake, REM, core, deep. Then we can scroll down, you'll be able to see the sleep data for the 14 days. Here is it. Then also the sleep duration, and here the next schedule. And this is it how it works. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thanks for watching.